Hello, this is Risa from Risa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful, pretty, yet so easy to make flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. These are the templates I use for this flower. This is for the flower center and this is for the flower. You can use any size for this template according to the size of the flower you want. I use crepe fabric for this flower. This fabric has a clear texture as you can see. I use soldering iron to cut this fabric. First, cut the flower center. You can search this template on Google with the keyword 4 petals flower template. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, please see the description below. Next, I will cut the flower. You can search this template on Google too with the keyword 5 love petals flower template. Cut a hole in the center and cut the petals to reach almost the center. You can see the shape is very nice. Make 2 pieces for the flower center and 6 pieces for the flower. Take the flower center and fold it in half. Align the flower center like this. Prepare stamen. Put this here and roll the fabric to make the flower center. To form the flower, put this through the hole. Use the petals to wrap around the center. Continue with the second piece of fabric. I like making this flower because it doesn't require any burn, melt or singe method. You can use any fabric for this flower, like satin fabric or chiffon fabric. I like to use crepe fabric because the texture is very visible. I usually use this flower to make baby headbands. And to make a baby headband, I like to use very tiny flowers. And I prefer fabric flowers rather than paper flowers. To finish this off, cut this and secure with hot glue. Our beautiful flower is finished. I have made many of these flowers and you can try making them too. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.